Zimbabwe faces a troubling reality of cronyism and elite corruption that demands immediate attention. Where is the Zimbabwe anti-corruption cell when we need them most? Numerous police complaints remain unresolved, undermining public trust. Sarabina mashoko budanyoka pangwa inachinze agent call for accountability in Zimbabwe. Notable subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina mnamo blank kwa mshinzi. In July 2023, Indian businessman Rahaza Jishan filed a complaint alleging 2.3 million US dollar in fraud against presidential advisor Temta Paul Tungwarara. Key allegations include payments for a non-owned property, charges for services and work permits never delivered, threats of eviction after a failed deal. Further allegations include a 2019 loan dispute where Tungwarara reportedly borrowed $350,000 and failed to repay, with the complaint mysteriously disappearing. Projects like river rehabilitation possibly being misused for preferential access to alluvial gold. Questionable procurement practices linked to major infrastructure deals. Reports of Tungwarara being named in internal corruption dossiers and losing $1 million to a former employee's scam. These incidents highlight a critical lack of accountability and oversight among those 32 presidential projects. If unchecked, this will erode institutional credibility in Zimbabwe. The nation deserves leaders who prioritize integrity and a genuine service to the people. Far beyond mere access to power, slogans, and the rhetorics, it's time for decisive action. Transparency in governance. Abasha Gananda. Thomas Kanaitogwa na Lin M pangwa ine achuya achiti aiwa parunyazo kudiwa agent accountability pangwa ine kuchonka kunzi zvigananda zvoita zvazvinoda nenyika painenge ichidiwa agency at most panguva ine kunokwanisa vakomana vezaki ambova wani and havambonoiti kana any effort yekumbonobata these people vanenge vari linked kuma-presidential projects. Pina comment section medu dzafunguro aimotode pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, continue to turn on the bell icon.